Arellano. Arellano refusing to lose this game, coach.
Ganda ng layup niya yan. Sayang yun, sayang. Libreng-libre na yung lane na yun. Hindi pa nakuha ni Abria.
And this is the time where Coach Chico Manabat will find his main guy.
Yes, ito na again. Babalikan natin yung challenge, yung goal. Isa sa mga goal talaga na, lalo na to end this first round. Ito, sino ba talaga pupuntahan ko pagdating ng fourth? Who is willing? Sino yung matapang?
We haven't seen enough from Maverick Vinoya, still with 4 points. Only 4 points for this game. And also this guy, Cyril Hernal. Let's see if he can add up. Siya naman yata ang tatawagan ng traveling doon.
Alam ko tayo rin nag-cover ng Vinoya na career high game. No, sayang.
Ito, meron tayong report once again from Christine San Agustin. Christine,
Right attitude and character will get you the big fish. Yan ang sabi ni Coach Chico Manabat sa Arellano Chiefs as he also reminded the team na kalimutan na nila ang lahat ng pagkakamali at pagkatalo at ilabas na ang kanilang next level game standard dahil today is more than just a game. For this is already a war. With this, Coach Chico reminded the team that winning today's game is an experience that will open up a lot of possibilities for them, especially in the second round. So let's see if this game will finally fall in their hands or will just become yet another missed opportunity. But for now, back to you guys.
thank you so much, Christine. Ito siguro yung pinanguhugutan ni Coach Chico. Matalo namin yung San Beda eh. Hindi rin imposible na matalo namin yung
Yes,
Pinil.
oo naman. Alam mong yung confidence level nila for this game, tumaas dahil doon sa San Beda game na yon.
It's just that nangyari yung sa Mapua. No?
Oh, pero again, it's a close game. May time na nakokontrol na nga nila yung game eh. Pero pagdating sa fourth, eto na naman.
It's about finding your momentum heading to the second
Yes.
round.
At nandito na si Liwag ulit.
Justin, knockout play. Justin Sanchez.
Good execution. Ganda nung inbound play na yun. Baseline. Yung napakadaling tira para kay Sanchez.
Apat na naman ang lamang ng mga nakaberde. Geronimo gives it to Kapulong. Back-to-back scoring for Kapulong as Abiera. Mahilig mag-off the board. Ito mga taga-Arellano.
4 out of 10 yan last game. Alam mong kaya niya itira yung mga ganyang sitwasyon.
That's the 8 point for Abiera. 10 points less from his output last game as Arellano had to stop here. A chance for them to lead. Borromeo, malakas ang tira. And the ball will go back to the Blazers.
Sayang yun, ano. For the lead sana.
As we see that knockout play from Justin Sanchez. And these off the board 3-point shot
Ang hilig nila sa boarding, ano.
from Renz Abiera. Coach Chico needs more from him this fourth quarter. Ancheta, lumipad. Itong depensa. A great block there from Hernal. Geronimo, mag-isa rito all the way. And Arellano leads the game. At may foul na itatawag against, I think, Justin Sanchez as we see this block. Nakuha yung unang fake eh. But Hernal able to meet Liwag on top.
Liwag, who? Completed niya pa, nakuha niya pa. Naipasa pa sa fast break. And another. Nadugtungan pa ng steal to. And a foul.
That's a classic defense to offense from Arellano.
7 lead changes. Oh, kuha na ng lamang ngayon ng Arellano.
Ito talaga, good game na ako.
Sulit, di ba?
Dalawang tira mula sa free throw line ang ibibigay para rito kay Borromeo. Turnover once again ang problema
Oo.
nitong mga taga-College of St. Benilde.
Yun ang tinatrabaho ng Arellano Chiefs. Every time na may possession ang Benilde, binibigyan nila ng pressure. Dahil alam nila, kaya nilang kuhaan ng turnover.
As Borromeo will get his second shot. 7 minutes and 19 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter.
Mahaba pa to.
Arellano able to find that strong start sa fourth quarter, coach.
Yan. Ganda na sana ng pressure ni Borromeo. Again, yung discipline lang eh. Yung mga foul na yan, kahit nasabihin mo pagbabayaran ko siya at the end game.
And this is where you want Tony Inot
Yes.
for College of St. Benil, coach. Ancheta. Still once again, nope. Mahirapan na pumasok itong mga taga-Benil. Liwag gives it to Sanchez. Another traveling ba? Traveling violation na naman.
Ang ganda mag-cover ng mga passing lanes ng Arellano Chiefs. Nahihirapan pumasa tong Benil. Kita naman natin, meron ng pasa papunta kay Sanchez pero ang hirap bigay eh.
That's the 22nd turnover
Taas yan.
for Benil Blazers.
For a number 1 team, committing 22 turnovers. Napakataas yan.
Geronimo, anticipated by the defense of Benil Blazers. Cometa, muntik pa mawala ang bola, gives it to the trailing Torres. Great pass from Allen Liwag.
Sinasabayan naman ngayon ng Benil yung intensity nila sa defense.
Side ball game here. Geronimo still with the ball, gives it to Capulo. Now Abiera fakes, dances, steps back. Almost for Abiera, but look at Borromeo. And Allen Liwag with a big rebound.
Pwedeng ilabas ni Borromeo yun eh. After the rebound, pwede mo pang ilabas. Hindi kailangan magmadali.
Ito si Cometa, nagmadali. Kaya niya raw, but with this, doon sa tira na yon ni Cometa, Arellano gets another board. What a game we're having right now.
Told you. 62 all, 5 minutes to go.
Geronimo still has the leather. Gives it to Borromeo, stops. Hands off to Renzo Vieira from the top of the key. Mintis lang doon. And the ball ends with Geronimo.
Mukhang nakatapak ng pa si Sanchez doon.
Man down here for the Blazers. It's Morales.
Oh, it's Morales, sorry.
Hinahawakan yung kanyang kanang paaron.
Hopefully it's natin serious for Morales. Mukhang nakatapak ng pa.
Let's see this shot from Abiera. We are talking about Arellano as number 1 team in the points in the paint. And look at that. Geronimo grabbing that rebound
Nandun pa yung Liwag nun, ha?
and cleaning up the
And
mess.
Morales.
Nakita natin, nakatayo naman si Morales. Pero iika-ika.
We hope it's just a mild sprain for Morales.
Coach, kanina nakita natin dun sa stat sheet natin, 3 players. Guard nga halos lahat eh. Yun nandun sa category ng points in the paint eh.
Mm-hmm.
3 players from Arellano.
Correct, yun yung
nandun.
pinag-usapan natin, Nico. Akala natin si Kapulong lang yung reason bakit ang taas nila sa points in the paint. Pero kita naman natin, Geronimo, Ongotan, Hernal. Ang tataas tumalon.
Benil will try to answer. This is the answer! But he was fouled. We thought that's another black. Mula rito kay Cyril Hernal. Pero tinawagan ang foul ng ating mga referee. Good feed there from Cometa, from Torres.
Pero ang ganda ng execution na ginawa ng Benil na yun. Alam nilang pupunta sila kay Liwag. Misdirect nila. They gave a cross pick. Nahanap nila ron sa poste si Liwag.
We haven't seen Team Ongotan scoring in this fourth quarter, coach.
Wala pa ba?
I think so.
Actually, sa pagiging aggressive kasi nila Abiera, Borromeo, Hernal, mukhang di pa kailangan. Siguro, darating yung time ni Ongotan. Alamin niya dapat kung kailan siya magiging aggressive.
As we see Coach Charles Chu, another close game for him. Liwag. 1 out of 2. Five minutes, 19 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter.
Alam naman ni Coach Charles na walang magiging madaling panalo rito sa NCAA.
Capulong against Liwag, gives it to Vinoya. 10 to work with for the gray shirt. Capulong gives it to Abiera, stops, pumps, and he was fouled from the 3 by Matthew Oli.
That will be big.
A chance for Arellano to put some more sa kanilang kalamangan.
Okay, mukhang sinasabi ng coaches ng St. Benilde para nag-extend ng paa yung shooter.
Oo. Hindi. Sabi ng mga referee,
Hindi.
we had that right call.
Yes.
3 shots from Renz Abiera. First shot is no good. 18 points last game. Right now, 8 points for Renz.
Again, yung free throws nila from last game, alam ko, 18 free throws ang na-miss nila.
Right now, Arellano is 14 out of 26. Imagine if nakompleto nila yung lahat na yun.
Mag-iiba yung storya ng game eh.
You love the aggressiveness from the guys of Arellano.
Buong game yan, first to third. No? Ngayon, tong fourth, tingnan natin ang question. 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 59 seconds. Tingnan natin kung maitataas pa nila.
2 out of 3 from Renzo Vieira. Arellano up by 3 here, 66 to 63. Benilde Blazers will try to tie it up. O kahit isa man lang. Allen Liwag at the post, nakawala. And Allen Liwag loses the ball. It was stopped by one of the Arellano players. Mananatilang bola, coach.
Buti na lang yung gamble kasi ni Capulong doon, nakakatakot. Pwede siyang ma-foul. Ngayon, nakalusot pa si Liwag, nabigyan pa ng opportunity to drive. Buti na wala sa kamay niya.
Liwag has the ball. Again, 7 to shoot for Blazers. Torres from way downtown. Mintis lang doon.
Ang layo.
Kumeta finds Allen Liwag but anticipated
Ang ganda ng anticipation ng Arellano Chiefs.
by Renzo Vieira.
Akala mo nga, easy 2 points na lagi. Pero biglang may susulpot from the Chiefs.
Tatlo ang inahabol ng Blazers dito. 4 minutes and 33 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Torres
Versus
binigay kay
which? Tingnan natin
Sanchez.
kung take advantage ni Sanchez. Eyes on top.
Vinoya na kay Liwag ngayon. Sanchez drives and scores!
Tama. Take advantage mo na talaga yon.
Kung mabilis si Liwag, mas mabilis si Sanchez against Capulong.
Yes. Flair.
Borromeo has the leather. Will find their guy right now. Abiera, a steal.
Nice stop by Oli.
Nice anticipation. Justin Sanchez gives it to Kumeta for the 2 points. Benilde gets the lead back.
Doon mo makikita yung maturity ni Justin Sanchez. Usually, tinutuloy niya yon, pero nakita niya, open yung kakampi niya. He shared the ball. Easy 2 points.
Pag ganun fast break, manggigigil ka eh. Look at this one-on-one play by Justin Sanchez, blowing off his defender, Lawrence Capulong for the easy 2. And the defense of Matthew Oli and that outlet pass by Liwag,
Nice pass,
dropping it off to Kumeta for that easy 2. And here's the play by Arellano. Gives it to Ongotan for his first point of the fourth quarter. Wala pa rin. 3 and 35 remaining. Liwag.
Masyadong mataas. Hindi
Bad.
pa nakapwesto.
Bad pass there from Justin Sanchez. We know he's orchestrating, but that's a bad pass, coach.
Yes, so pwede pa silang humanap ng ibang option or timing for Liwag.
Ongotan, binigay kay Kapulong sa taas. Kapulong will miss. As Ongotan will get the rebound.
Sinipa, oo. Sinipa ni Ongotan yung bola.
Iyan na naman yung mga guardia coach ng Arellano. Lumiligid lang sa ilalim, nakakakuha ng bola.
Correct po. Kailangan kasi mas maging masipag talaga dahil yung height advantage ng Binild, mako-compensate yan through their aggressiveness.
Vinoya, Coach Chico needs more from him in this fourth quarter. As Vinoya sinking that long range. Arellano takes the lead back 69-67. Timeout muna. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100.
Lozano. Fade away. That's good for Raimundo.
Just scoring off reads itong JRU. Wala na sila gaano pinap.
Misfired at the rim. Oh, switching hands.
Grabe.
What a play by Raimundo.
We're asking for Vinoya's contribution. And he answered us with this 3-point shot.
Narinig ka kagad, Nico?
Nasa likod
Nahanap
kasi
mo siya,
tayo.
ha? Eto ko.
We know kung anong kayang gawin nitong si Maverick Vinoya, coach.
Yes, nawawala siya sa place eh. Pero credit mo rin naman, maganda yung nilalaro ng mga kasama niya with Hernal, Geronimo. Eh, siguro ako na. Eto na yung star time, eto na, akin na to.
Maverick Vinoya with 7 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals. Hindi man siya nag-score, coach. Other department ay gumagawa itong si Maverick.
Yes. Pero for etong crunch time, mukhang kailangan mas maging masipag ni Vinoya.
Ito na naman si Justin. Almost a turnover once again for Blazers. 10 to work with for the green shirt. Torres, Liwag nag-cut. Torres, binitaw na lang as Liwag. No count daw as per our referee.
Mukhang sa rebound pa lang meron ng foul.
Sa rebound play ang itinawag. Borromeo will get that foul.
Wala pang penalty.
Wala pa. Tinitignan ko dun eh. That's the third team foul for the second team foul for Arellano.
Yun yung magandang nagawa ngayon ng Arellano. Wala sila sa penalty. Pwede pa silang dumipensa na madiin.
Torres. 8 to shoot. Gives it to the left. Sa kanya ulit. Torres. Mintes. And Arellano will have the ball once again. Basti Valencia. He can score. Now Ongotan. Naghanap ng pick mula kay Kapulong. Ongotan. Dumiretso. And Kapulong.
Ganda ng atake ni Ongotan doon.
Anong tawag dito? Tinapik daw yung ring eh.
Oo, actually meron ng foul. Pero humihingi pa ng Arellano Chiefs na tinapik yung board. Baka goaltending. Ayun, oo. Pero minsan kung wala namang effect dun sa layup or dun sa shot, hindi na nila tinatawagan yung goaltending na yan.
Pero sabay kasi, coach. Let's see kung anong magiging desisyon ng ating mga referee here.
Mukhang yung foul, nandun na yung foul. Ang tinitingnan na lang yung goaltending kung ika-count nila.
That could be big
Yeah.
for Arellano. They're up by 2 here. Ito na ang kanilang mga desisyon. Parang no count daw.
Upon review, no goaltending foul line, number 72. Clement.
2 free throws lang. Act of shooting kasi yung layup ni Ongotan.
As we will have a timeout first from Arellano, magbabalik tayo Dito lang sa NCAA Season 100.
In the paint. These guys are the smallest players on the floor, but they thrive in the paint in the land of the Giants.
And one of the reason para masabi natin yung mga get is because they have the biggest heart. And yan yung talagang nagmamatter.
Now, San Beda is coming off a loss. I have a feeling
Hindi sila ganun kalalaki. Pero dun mo lang makikita mo na ito yung
in their last game combined.
With 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining, ito muna ang mga naging talo o naging resulta ng mga laban ng Arellano Chiefs. Yung mga ticket coach, ang dalawang tanging panalo lang ay from the Golden Stags at against dito sa San Beda Red Lions. Pero sabi nga natin, pinag-uusapan natin, they could have been number 2 or number 3.
Oh, hindi. Yung win-loss record nila, hindi yan yung story ng season actually or ng first round nila. Mas mataas pa dapat ang positioning nila ngayon. Ang problema lang talaga nila yung pag-close ng game.
With 2 minutes remaining, talagang maghahanap ng kanyang main guy. Ito si
Isipin
Coach
mo.
Chico Manabat. Sinasabi niya naman, Coach, wala naman siyang main guy. It's about who wanted to step up sa mga ganitong pagkakataon.
Yes. Kung sino yung mag-e-embrace dun sa role na yun actually. Ang hirap i-appoint yan eh. Ang tanong sa lagi mo sa player, gusto mo ba? Kaya mo ba?
And he could be the guy, the man at the line, Timac Ongotan with 15 points right now, 4 rebounds and 2 assists. 2 for 2 for Timac. Let's see what the Blazers will do in this possession.
Yes, kapit tayo. 2 possessions.
Torres has the ball. Looking for Justin but gives it to Cometa. 9 to shoot for Blazers.
Meron mismatch kay Liwag. Ewan natin kung mapupuntaan. Or kay Kapulong.
3 to shoot to the corner. Oli misses.
Oy,
But
rebound!
Oli gets his own miss.
Yun
At
na
ang
naman.
tawag? Hindi natin nakita kung anong tinawag. Foul. Sinisenyas ng foul. Look at the dance by Cometa to the corner. Oli just misses that shot.
Yung offensive rebound eh. Yun ang masakit doon.
Nandun na sa
lang ng
labas
stop
eh, no?
Oo, actually ganda lang ng stop nila.
As the Valencia.
Nakita mo yung effort ni Kapulong. Pinasasayaw siya ni Cometa pero nasa harap lang siya.
If they have completed that stop, coach, that could be big for Arellano.
Yes.
That could be the turnaround.
Oh, every possession counts right now.
And right now, dalawang free throws pa yata ang ibibigay kay Matthew Oli. You see this. Ito yung mintis niya mula sa labas. But look at him. You love the effort from Matthew. Siya na yung tumira sa labas, pero siya pa yung nakakuha sa loob.
Actually, kadalasan kasi ang may alam kung saan tatalbog ang bola, yung shooter. So, alam niya kung saan babagsak, hinabol lang yan.
Eto na't naririnig na natin nag-iingay ang parehong mga taga-suporta ng Benilde at Arellano as Matthew Oli at the line here. Nabigyan ng minuto itong si Matthew Oli after that booming 3 from the first quarter. And he makes his first one, coach.
Cool na cool, no? Walang kakaba-kaba.
Matthew Oli now has 5 points. Going for 6. Sanko will be inserted here for Matthew Oli.
For defensive purposes actually, ginamit nila to. Nagkaroon sila ng sub.
1 minute 35 seconds. Arellano almost losing that ball. Borromeo has the leather. Hinahanap si Ongotan, hindi maibigay, but he gets the ball back. 8 to
8
work
seconds.
with for Timac. Kapulong with the pick. Timac fakes, fades. Timac misses.
Good
But look at
rebound.
that. Look at the rebound of Basti Valencia.
Pero 10 seconds na lang yan. Kailangan umatake na kagad sila.
7 to shoot for the second try. nitong Arellano. 3 to shoot. Valencia, mawawala ang bola. And the ball will go back to the Blazers.
After an offensive rebound, kailangan may automatic play na kayo dyan. May default play na kagad kayo. Ang tagal nila sinet up eh.
Nag-pop itong si Kapulong pero hindi na makita nitong si Basti Valencia as he loses that ball and that whole possession ng Arellano.
Laking bagay yon.
Under a minute remaining.
Gusto mo sana maging 2-possession ball game eh. No? For the Arellano Chiefs.
Blazers trailing by 2. Allen Liwag gives it to the corner. Mataas ang pasa ni Allen Liwag. Yan yung mga kapaglaro. Sinasabi nila, ano ako si Yao Ming?
7-footer yung pasa na yun eh.
Masyadong mataas
Mataas,
at
oo,
malakas.
mataas.
Napatingin na lang itong si Cometa.
Actually, good intention eh. No? Libreng-libre. Short roll, may shooter sa corner. Alam niya na magiging ball mover siya. Yung execution lang ng pasa, dun lang nagkamali.
How will the Arellano Chiefs take advantage?
Kay Ungotan ba sila pupunta?
Geronimo asking for a pick kay Kapulong. Binigay naman. Geronimo still with the ball. Decides to pull that swinger! Ernest Geronimo!
That's a big shot from Geronimo.
Coach Chico Manabat asking who's gonna take the ball. And this time it's Ernest Geronimo. Apat na ang lamang ng Arellano. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100.
Marami sa mga student athletes ng NCAA ang tumutuloy sa mga professional basketball leagues at may mga piling atleta rin na nagiging basketball legends. Ilan sa mga past and future basketball legends ng NCAA ay sina Kaloy Loizaga, Laura Mumar at Freddie Webb na sinundan nila Atoy Ko, Philip Cesar, Vergel Meneses,
Alvin Patrimonio at
Samboy Lim. Isama nyo na rin sina Romel
Coach Chico Manabat having problems mula sa kanyang mga huling mga laro kung sino magte-take over. And this time, this guy, Ernest Geronimo, taking the shot of his life.
Kukuha na ni Coach Chico yung mga sagot ko sa tanong niya noon. Who will take over? Who will take charge? Nakita natin si Ungotan willing, Geronimo willing. Nandiyan, big shot from Geronimo. Alam natin na malaking bagay para sa kanila to.
You're loving the confidence for Ernest Geronimo. He's looking to pass at first eh. Pero wala na siyang choice but to take it.
Oo, buong-buo yung loob ni Geronimo. Nakunin yung tira na yun.
29.6 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Benilde has the possession. Can they make a stop here?
Malayo pa to. Actually, 2 to 3 possessions pa. No? So, hindi pa pwedeng mag-celebrate ang Arellano.
It's just a 4-point game, coach.
Yeah.
You know, kung anong kayang gawin ng Benilde.
Sa dami ng lesson na tinuro sa kanila ng endgame na meltdown nila, ito yung dapat i-apply na yung mga lessons.
Meron tayong review dito. Alamin natin kung ano. As right now, with 29.6 seconds remaining.
Still a long way.
Yep. But you love it for Coach Chico if they can pull this off. Beating San Beda. Natalo sa Mapua. And right now, bumabawi. Tignan natin if they
Number
can,
1 to ha. Ito yung big fish na tinatawag talaga.
if
Big
they can
fish.
close it out.
Magandang pabaon to papuntang second round nila pag nakuha nila to. With their confidence very high.
Dikit-dikit eh. If they will win 3-6.
Hindi pa malayo ang Final Four sa kanila, kaya pa nilang abutin yon. But they really need this win.
Warning, number 25, Anthony Motomeu for touching.
Warning for taunting itong si Ernest Borromeo. Una pa lang naman daw.
Dapat pag-ingatan yan. Pwedeng magbigay ng free throws or technical shots for the Benil.
And this is the possession by Benil Blazers. Ancheta decides to take it inside. It's good! Great play from Ancheta. They are now just down by 2, 73 to 71, coach.
Ang ganda ng Dinro na play doon, no? 3 seconds lang ata na nabawas sa game clock.
And the ball could go back to them, coach.
At alam na alam mo kung sino pupuntahan mo pag game-winning or crucial shots. Ang tapang ni Ancheta pagdating dyan.
Once again, Jomel Ancheta showing everyone that he is a clutch man.
Last game, winning shot. Against San Beda, meron na rin tinirang big shot yan.
And this is how dominant Benil Blazers is. Tingnan natin. 4 straight wins. Natalo sa Letran. Another 2 na panalo. And right now, Arellano, binibigyan sila magandang laban, coach.
Pero magandang lesson sa kanila to. 2 games na. No, bottom teams, hindi magiging madali. Alam mo, lahat ng teams nagtatrabaho and lahat ng teams talagang merong mga materials to win games.
That's how great these NCAA teams
Yes.
are.
Iba tong season 100 natin. Very competitive, unpredictable. Kaya nagiging exciting talaga yung games eh.
Giving their 100% to always win every game. Tingnan natin kung anong isasagot ng mga taga-Arellano after that big shot.
The Arellano Chiefs were delaying the game.
At ang tanong kung sa front court ba o back court, no?
Timeouts left natin, coach. Arellano, isa. Fouls to give, meron pang isa. Benil, may isa ring timeout, pero penalty na itong Blazers.
They'll get the 14 second dito sa front court.
For
Tinawid na nila yung bola.
For Coach Chico, ito yung mga possession na talagang hahanapin mo ulit yung kung sino mag-step up for the team to close this game out.
Oh, it's either Ongotan or Geronimo. Yun yung mga nakapuntos last time.
Now Ongotan has the ball. 10 to work with. Timak Ongotan. Kapulong gives the pick. 6 to shoot. Ongotan drives. And he was fouled. There's a foul. Allen Liwag was called for a foul. Let's see. Here's the drive by Ongotan. Nasa ng foul mula kay Liwag. There could be.
Baka yung maaga naman. Baka before the shot, no?
And Blazers is in the penalty. Sanko will sit down here.
Shooting 2 free throws.
This will be big for Timak Ongotan. 16 points for Timak. 4 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal. First throw. Timak missing.
Sayang yun. Kasi kung ma-convert niya yung dalawang free throws, magiging 2 possession ball game. Kailangan pang bumalik eh. Ngayon, kaya ng isang possession lang to.
A chance for Timak Ongotan to put one more lead, one more point sa kanilang kalamangan. Timak misses. Allen gets the rebound. 12 to shoot. Jomel Ancheta, muntik pang madapa. Ancheta was fouled. That's the foul to give
Yeah.
of Arellano.
Malaking bagay na wala sa penalty ang Chiefs.
8 seconds remaining. Eto, muntik pang madapa rito si Jomel Ancheta as he was fouled there by Maverick Benoya. That's the last foul to give for the Arellano Chiefs.
Malaking bagay talaga yung tawag na yung buti. Siguro ang lakas ng dasal ng Benil na yun, namintis yung dalawang free throw.
At alam mo kung anong gagawin ni Jomel Ancheta? He wanted that ball, coach.
Yes, babalik ako ron sa lesson again for the Chiefs actually. Yung mga free throws na yan, napakalaking bagay talaga.
8.0 seconds. 8 seconds remaining. Sa ating fourth quarter, Benilde has the ball.
Yes. Ang question lagi, kanino pupunta? Liwag? Kometa, maganda nilalaro for the whole game. Tingnan natin kung paano i-draw up tong play na to. Or Ancheta, no? Si Ancheta, alam naman, siya yung tumira na itong last crucial shot, no?
And for Team Makongotan, you're praying right now that Benilde can't pull this off this last possession.
Ang nagdadasal niya dyan si Ongotan. Kasi pwede nang matapos yung game na yun dun sa free throw na yun.
Dalawang free throw. And last time around he was there, he shot 2 out of 2, I think.
Yeah.
Right now, Team Makongotan is 4 out of 6. 4 out of 7. Big possession coming up here for the Blazers. Kaya bang pigilan ng Arellano?
Wala nang fouls to give ang Chiefs ngayon. Kailangan mag-ingat sila sa foul.
On the floor, Kometa, Liwag, Torres, Sanchez, at Ancheta. Kometa nahihirapan. Ancheta, 7 to work with. 5 seconds for Ancheta. 3 to shoot. Gives it to Sanchez. Sanchez will miss! And Arellano wins this game against the number 1 team in the first round, Benilde Blazers.
Sarap ng panalo ng Arellano. Bottom. Big upset. Big upset talaga to.
That's a great setup by Ancheta. It's just that sobrang konti na lang ng oras for Justin Sanchez to pull up a shot there. 73 to 71. A big win for Arellano.
Ang ganda, no? Sabi nga from the start, yun na kagad, inassure ko yung mga fans, magiging maganda tong game na to. Pinakita lang talaga, very unpredictable. Babalikan natin yun. Very unpredictable. Alam natin, may enjoy natin every game.
As we listen first sa school hymn for both teams.